Hey guys, welcome to a new video on NailPossible. In this tutorial, we're going to create this design inspired by the Chinese New Year. We're gonna start applying a base coat. And now we apply a red nail polish. Mine is matte because I don't have a lot of reds, but it doesn't have to be. I'm going to apply it very carefully so I don't have to clean up too much because reds stain cuticles a little bit and it's kinda hard to clean up. Now we apply some liquid latex again so we don't have to clean up too much. And once it's dry, we're going to stamp using a slightly darker red than the one we used before. This is the image we're going to use. And we stamp it on all the nails. Once we're done, we remove the liquid latex. And clean up the residue. Now I'm going to add some of these flower-shaped gold metal slices to the design. Before I apply them, I run them a little bit using the biggest dotting tool I have so they fit with the curvature of my nails. Once they're rounded, we apply them to the nails. Now to protect everything, we apply a top coat. And this is the finished design. I hope you enjoyed this video and don't forget you can give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!